So before we conclude, I just wanted to get a little technical. You know, in your motor cars, you have something called Bluetooth. Hafiz, you're an engineer. Well, you're not IT. Okay. Bluetooth. How does the Bluetooth work with your phone? You connect it, right? You got to put on the Bluetooth in your phone, and you got to put on the Bluetooth in your car. And then you get connection. So similarly, in the world of the good heart, you see your heart? See the heart? Your heart is a technological Bluetooth, you know. It's a Bluetooth. A lot of us do not think that people like us because our Bluetooth shut off. You know, our heart, this Bluetooth here, instead of we have love on here, we have hate. So how could you know love from somebody else? If you put on your phone and your Bluetooth and the car is off, it will tell you off, turn on. That's how you get connection. Why do some of us think that person is bad and that person is not good and this person is bad, my brother is bad, my sister is bad, my mother is bad, my wife is bad, my husband? Because your Bluetooth of love is off. If you turn the love and turn the heart on, let's get to the heart. You turn your heart on to be receptive to good things. Turn this device on, this loving device in this heart that Allah will look at on the day of judgment. The good hearts, you will see how you will connect with good hearts. Does that make sense, Hafiz?